Hey guys, welcome back or welcome to another video. Today I've decided to I'm gonna attempt to record my day tomorrow at work because we're supposed to get a big snowstorm starting tomorrow straight into Monday. So we're gonna see if we get a full staff, how many people call out, or if I'm gonna have to be stuck at work. This girl, or if I'm gonna be stuck at work. So I'm gonna attempt. I don't know if you guys end up seeing this vlog. That mean I actually attempt my day, and I would let you know. I don't know how much footage I would get because I can't really have my phone out, but I will try my best to record the day for you guys and see how my day goes, if I'm gonna get to come home or if I'm gonna end up being stuck at work. So guys, the snow started, but the morning is still looking good. It's not bad. I thought it would have been worse than this of how they're speaking, but we will see by the end of the day when I have to come home how bad it is outside and if I will have to stay at work. But I'll let you guys know what happened, and I'll come back when I'm going. Well, I'll come back when I get to work. But yeah, it's not bad. It's not as how they claim it's gonna be, but the morning just started, so we'll see what happened, because I get off at 3, so let's see how it is outside at 3. I'm waiting for my Uber, and it's about 7 minutes away, so yeah, just got to work. Okay, I'm gonna go do my rounds, and I will check back in with you guys to let you guys know if we have a full staff or not. What's the deal? What happened? Morning, dear. It is 7:30, and so far I'm the only one here on my floor. The overnight they left, even though the nurse told them one of them had to stay, but they still left, so I'm the only one here. Let's see what happened. I don't know why, because outside is not even that bad, like I showed you guys earlier. It's not. Y'all could have made it. It's not bad at all. There's like basically nothing really on the floor, but we'll see. We'll give it until 8 o'clock to see what happened, or if they will send help for me, because until at least one more person come, I am not touching a soul. So the snow is starting to pick up, and we don't have no nurse. We only have 2 people for 40 patients. So at this point, they told us to just monetize everyone, make sure that they're safe. And breakfast just came up, but because there's no nurse here, we can't serve breakfast without the nurse, because everybody got to get medication and stuff like that. So it's already looking rough, and it's already looking like I'm about to be stuck here until probably 11 o'clock tonight, because I'm pretty sure the 3D11 is gonna call out, and then the overnight probably gonna call out too. So let's see what happens. So the breakfast rush is over, and now I'm just charting. Ugh. I'm already tired, and it's only 10 o'clock. Guys, it is 2:30. I'm supposed to leave at 3, but like I predicted, I'm here until 11 o'clock tonight, because everybody for the 3D11 basically called out. And it looks like the 11 to 7 is gonna call out too, but they can't tell me I have to do overnight also. I don't care, I'm going home. To make matters worse, I have to be back here. I'm scheduled to work tomorrow at 7 in the morning again. I can't. This is crazy. This is crazy. But I'll check back in with you guys later. It is 12 o'clock. 12:30 as a matter of fact, and I'm just getting home. I don't think I'm gonna make it in for tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock. I may call out, I don't know, but I tried my best. This is the end of the vlog. That is how outside is looking. It took me an hour just to get an Uber. So. Hi, my baby. So it's the day after the snow, and this is how outside is basically looking. The Uber won't come all the way down, so I have to walk to the corner. Oh my God, I hate this life. God, thank you for waking me up this morning, and I appreciate life. But jeez, I don't like the snow. Give me the rain any day. I'll take the rain. I don't like snow. So this is how we're looking. And hopefully my Uber comes fast. Between yesterday and going to work now, I paid over $100 in Uber. I am so upset, but what to do? Whoop to do. As I predicted, there's nobody here. Oh my God. Another long day. So it's only two of us working on the floor. So she's taking one side, I'm taking one side. So that's 20 people each. Because each floor has 40 patients. So wish me luck. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is snowing again. I am not. No, it is snowing again. Why? Oh my goodness. People shoving out their cars. Why is it snowing again? I'm not staying here doing another double today. I am not. 3 o'clock, I am going home. I'm not doing it. I don't care. I am not. Why is it snowing again? I'm off break, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here. You guys saw what happened yesterday and today, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm tired. I want to go home. The moment I get home, I just want to take a shower and sleep. I'm off tomorrow, so I won't be back at work till Wednesday.